Are you making them in the microwave, your baked potatoes?
Yes.
It's 12 minutes total, and then you let it sit for half the cook time.
Damn.
I'm making 6 of them. 6
Oh
big
my
ones.
God.
Okay, so it's 6 minutes per pound or per potato. Then you got to let it sit half the cook time because it continues to cook because the molecules
Right.
heat up and then they
So
have to settle back
what?
down.
Hey, so what she'll do? She's making something else. She's making food. So she'll do a lot of the rest of it in our Instapot or what she's cooking with.
So technically, they're not baked potatoes; they're actually microwave potatoes, correct?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're
Yeah. Thank you
like
for teaching.